Covering a cake with sugar paste. Now your cake has a buttercream coat, it's ready for sugar paste covering. Brush the cake with cold sugar syrup using a pastry brush. Make the syrup in advance with equal parts of caster sugar and boiling water. Add flavour to suit your cake if you like. Make sure you brush all over, or you may create air bubbles later. Lightly pat with kitchen paper to remove any excess syrup. Put the cake to one side. Knead the sugar paste until it's soft and pliable. We're using a kilo of sugar paste here for an 18 cm diameter cake, 10 cm tall. Sprinkle the worktop and your rolling pin with a light dusting of corn flour to prevent the sugar paste sticking. Place your cake with an easy reach and roll out your sugar paste to approximately 6 mm thick. Use plastic spacer rods either side of your sugar paste so you roll out an even thickness. Lift and turn the sugar paste every now and again to prevent it sticking and to keep it circular. Make long, smooth rolling movements using the whole of your arms up to the elbow. Measure the icing to make sure it's the right size for your cake. To move the sugar paste without tearing, roll it onto the pin. Position it over the cake so that the cake is in the centre and one edge of the sugar paste is at the base edge of the cake. Lay it gently over the top. Quickly and gently smooth the sugar paste across the top of the cake. Secure the top edges and work down the sides using your hands to open any pleats. Don't press too hard or you'll leave fingerprints. Work quickly, otherwise the sugar paste will dry and the cake underneath will become soft. Do the same around the sides of the cake using quick circular motions and smoothing the paste down towards the base of the cake. When you're happy that the cake is smooth, trim away any excess around the base of the cake with a sharp knife, so that the icing ends neatly. If you have an air bubble, release with a long scriber tool and then smooth flat. Using a cake smoother, work your way out from the centre of the cake in a circular polishing motion. Give the cake a final trim and polish again, using the sharp edge of the smoother flat against the cake board. Leave the cake overnight to firm up before stacking or decorating.